Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. Today, we will show you how to install Wazuh server on Ubuntu 22.04. First, update your system and install the packages required to run Wazuh Manager. The fastest way to install Wazuh on a single host is to use a script that automatically detects the OS type and performs a health check to verify that the available system resources meet the minimum requirements. Download the script to your Ubuntu system where the Wazuh server is installed. Once the script is downloaded, run it. The installation process should take a few minutes to complete. Take note of the access credentials. Now, access the portal at the following URL in your web browser and log in. Enter your username and password. You should now have access to the Wazuh web dashboard. Wazuh agent is deployed on the endpoint systems, such as Windows, Linux, and Mac OS, to collect events and all security-related data. The agent will then forward collected data to the Wazuh server for threat detection and analysis. Now, you can obtain commands that are to be run on the Wazuh agent machine. In the Deploy New Agent option, you will choose OS type and CPU architecture for it. Wazuh server address is deployed, and the agent name is assigned to the agent. Next, run the commands given to install and configure the agent on your endpoint device. If you click on the home icon, you will get to the default dashboard. Then, choose the agent to review. In the next screen, you can switch between menu sections to analyze events and filter. Finally, we have successfully set up the Wazuh server on Ubuntu.